Hello all, welcome to channel Way to Know. In this video, we will see how to add a new schematic page to an existing project in KiCad. Okay, remember that KiCad supports only hierarchical schematic. So hierarchical schematic meant you will have a block where you can actually connect the different parts of the schematic using that block, and um, you can browse to the actual page using that block as well. This is the simplest way to put the hierarchical schematic, and all the schematics will be presented as a blocks, and the flow becomes very clear. Okay, so for this purpose we can use root page as the page which has all the hierarchical blocks, and then we can have the actual schematic in the as a sub page. Okay, now how to add a page, let us look at it. If you see, there are two ways we can add a schematic page. Here on the right you can see add a hierarchical sheet. You can click on this, or you can also go to place and add sheet. There are two options. So, or simply as the shortcut says, yes. Okay, yes, simply press yes on your keypad and you must be able to create a project schematic page. Okay, now here the options are basically it is asking for a sheet name, so I want to put it as power. And even here the sheet file name, so sheet file name is nothing but the actual file which is saved in your project folder. Like example, when you open your project folder, you have various file names, right? Various schematic pages, and each schematic page has its unique name, right? Power or microcontroller or whatever, RF, or IO peripherals, whatever you have. So this is the file that will be present in your folder, and this is the sheet name which actually represents the um, name of that particular sheet. Okay, let us click OK, and you can see here the sheet got created, and you can also see the power page got created here. Now if you double click, you can go to that page, or we can use this block to browse. Like for now we have only one page, right? We have only one page, and we actually find it very easy to browse. But when you have multiple pages, like example, let us assume a big processor page or FPGA page. Okay, you can right click and then enter sheet. You can see it goes back to this particular, it goes to the sheet which we intended. And now when we click on the main sheet, the actual sheet, and click on leave sheet, we go back to the page from where we have browsed this particular page. So this is how we create the pages in new schematic page in KiCad project. If you see other tools like OrCAD, Altium, or any other project, you actually create a single flat schematic, right? The flat schematic is like you go on creating pages in a project, and then you actually add your circuit there. But here KiCad supports only hierarchical schematic, and if you want to add a new schematic page, you have to first add a hierarchical block and name that block as we have shown, and proceed further. Please post if you face any problems. Thank you.